guys, I'm here. Today we are going to do this super easy, cheap, but yet effective face mask. It consists of ingredients you can find in your kitchen. They are green tea and yogurt. Green tea moisturizes your skin, treats acne and pimples, fights against premature aging, reduces redness and irritation, and it protects your skin from skin cancer. Yogurt has so many benefits, such as it reduces dark circles, it reduces wrinkles, it fades blemishes and pigmentation, it fights acne, it treats skin infections, among others. I hope this video was helpful. If you've tried it or are about to try it, comment below. If you like this video, like and subscribe.